that bill with that Louis V. She said she wished it was true.
I don't know if it's gonna be 2021 or 2020 when this video gets out, but Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, all the holidays to you all. What's okay, gang, your good family? I am back with another video. As you guys can see from the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my butterfly locks. Watch me do my butterfly locks, like that type video. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys the stuff I got from the hair store and also how I do them myself. But before I get into the video, don't forget to follow all of my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment #CareGang to get a shout out in my next video. Today's video shout out goes to these people right here. So yeah, if you guys want video shout out in my next video, don't forget to comment #CareGang. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I got from the hair store. Okay, I got 5 packs of the 99J in the water wave. So this is just how it looks like, if you guys are wondering and stuff.
So I actually made a mistake. I actually bought 6 packs of the 99J and I used 2 of them so far.
Okay. Now, as you guys can see, I kind of have my hair braided. Like, let me show you guys. So I have my hair braided with some extra piece because I feel like my hair needs to be anchored down. Like, some parts of my hair are still very blunt, if that makes sense. I'll put a picture on the screen of what I mean. So basically, like, I know like the ends will flare up underneath the lock. So I feel like having an anchor down will help keep the braids smooth underneath and help my ends of my natural hair from splitting up and, you know, ruining the lock. So that's why I have it anchored down. And then where the natural hair stops, I started braiding like maybe like half an inch, not even like a whole inch down. And for that, I used the Model Water Wave in the color 2. I do not know why I did not just use the 99J, but I didn't. So yeah, I just used the water wave hair in number 2 because I still wanted the hair to like feel soft and like move and whatnot. Okay, so in the beginning of doing my locks, I started using nail glue to like keep it from unraveling and stuff, but now I'm just using the Got To Be Free spray and rolling it like that, like you guys are going to see in the video. So I'm just going to show you guys the tools I'm using. So you'll need a crochet hook. For my partings, even though they're not the straightest partings, I used the Shine and Jam, and I also used the Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold. So I did like a good portion of my hair off camera because the whole process is very repetitive. So I think I did. Ow, 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 ow. So I'm just gonna show you guys, here are the locks.
Okay, so tutorial time or whatever. So you're just going to take one piece of curly hair. You only need one. That's it. And you're going to separate it a little bit. You don't need to separate it a whole bunch. Just like, you know, you just have to do it, okay? Just do it. Because if it's not, then your lock won't stay. Like, it'll become very loose. And then you just want to create a loop just so that the crochet hook has something to latch onto and it won't be, you know, messy. I did it this complicated way, but, you know, I'm just extra. So you just want to put your crochet hook through your braid and then latch it on there and, you know, pull it through. Now when you pull it through, you want to make sure like you like have the 2 pieces evenly, because girl, I've been messing up a little bit and the hair got really tangled. But anyways, like kind of like you see here, but you want to make sure that one side is shorter than the other and one side is longer. It doesn't really matter what side, but just make sure that the side that's longer, that's the piece that you're going to be using to wrap with. So yeah, now I wrap around the root like about 4 times, 4 or a couple times, I'm not really sure, but just until I feel like it feels right. following along with the same technique, I'm just gonna wrap downwards along the braid until I feel like I have a good enough base. And then to create the whole loops, what you want to do is while you're following along with the hairpiece that you have, you want to pull a little bit of the piece away, and then you want to wrap over that loop that you have now, like with your pointer finger, and wrap over it 2 times and then wrap under it 2 times just so that that loop can stay. Now that I have the desired length that I want, I'm just gonna loop that hair upwards, and then I'm gonna start wrapping upwards.
It happens to me every year.
Okay, so this next one I'm doing in the back of my head. Like, I'm gonna show you guys. Ooh, it's dark. Okay, so the next one I'm doing in the back of my head. Like this one. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do it, because like doing it on the back of your head is so hard, but it's something that, I'm sorry, like this creaky ass chair. Dang. Like I was saying, doing it in the back of your hair, you can't really prepare the way to do it, and it's harder for me to do back here, so just watch me struggle.
It happens to me every year.
Alright you guys, so it's a little later. As you guys can see, it's daytime outside. So let's have a little run back of the whole time frame of these butterfly locks. So 2 days ago, including yesterday, I did the mini braids that are underneath here. I sort of separated the days. Actually, it didn't take that long, but I just didn't want to sit down and do it for a long period of time, so I split that braiding process in 1 day. And then today, this lock process, I think I started like at 7 p.m. and I finished at 6 or 7 in the morning. Let me tell you, doing this lock process shouldn't have taken that long, but I was watching Vampire Diaries and I was not paying attention, so that played a part. I don't really know how I want to style it. Like, I was thinking like maybe something to the side or whatever. Like, I don't know, they're still a bit stiff, and what I really like about these locks is I wanted them this size, but I also wanted them to be like full. I didn't want people to be able to like see through my hair, so I'm really liking how full it is. But I don't really know how I want to style it yet. Like, I don't know what I want to do with it yet. Alright you guys, so that's the video. If you guys enjoyed it, this is just how I did my butterfly locks. They are so cute, so pretty. I love this hairstyle. I'm still not really knowing how I'm going to style them yet, so I'm just going to keep them in like this middle part or whatever. Now I'm about to insert a Bible verse to start off week, and off week with the occasion, get your pass, get your way. So if you guys enjoyed that Bible verse, peace, your girls out.